Online marketing is the #1 source of customers worldwide. It's even bigger than TV. But 99% of independent business owners do not market online. Why? Because of all the complex systems needed to succeed. Let's go over a few of the systems that you would need in order to succeed in online marketing. First, you need a website, and you can grab a website from WordPress, Wix, or ClickFunnels. 2, you need to SEO that website or search engine optimize your website. 3, you need to advertise online, and you could do that through Facebook ads or Google ads. 4, you need to be marketing on social media, and you could do that in a place like Hootsuite. 5, you need to be blogging, and you could do that in a place like Blogger. 6, email marketing, and you could grab email marketing from MailChimp or Aweber. 7, you need a CRM or customer relationship management system that you can get from a place like Salesforce or HubSpot. 8, you need analytics, and of course you can use Google Analytics. So what makes online marketing highly complex is the fact that you need each and every one of these systems in order to succeed, and they all need to be integrated and speak with one another. Seems complicated, doesn't it? Not anymore. Why? Please allow us to introduce you to Royaltie, the first all-in-one marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. Terabytes of data drive our proprietary algorithms with over 20,000 daily users in over 196 industries, 1.1 billion ads and social posts, 50 million clicks, 120,000 websites, and 3 million marketing activities daily. Our AI engine is getting smarter every day. Let's go over how simple it is to get started with Royaltie. In this video, we're going to show you how to get started with Royaltie, the first all-in-one marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. Just click on Get Started and tell us a bit about your business. The name of your business, choose your industry and subcategory, and describe your business. Choose your font and brand color, and create your marketing campaign. We're now building your website, selecting your search keywords, designing your email newsletter, setting up your blog and analytics, building your social marketing, and now your marketing is done. You can choose how you'd like to get started and create your account. Put in your email, and phone number, address, choose your language, create your account password, and choose how you'd like to pay, credit card or PayPal. Your month and year, CVV, and accept and start marketing. Now your account is being created. This may take a few minutes, but you'll be dropped right into social marketing. Now your account setup is done. Your AI-powered marketing campaign is ready. And you could see our first suggested post. You can choose to post the suggested post. And I'm going to choose to post this on Facebook and click on share. I can describe this article here in my post. And then click on post to Facebook. We're going to check Facebook to make sure that it posted. And you can see that article posted right here. Now that that article is posted, Going to go back into our account and answer the question. Have you succeeded with publishing your post? Yes. Your social marketing is done. Great. Would you like to add this content to your website's blog? Yes. Your blog is now done. Would you like to email this content to your followers? Yes. Your email is now done. And you have succeeded in creating an AI marketing campaign. You can check your landing pages here, and you can view that landing page by clicking on it. And you can see the blog right here as well. Go back into your account. You can also see your email campaigns. And if you want to view the template, click on Edit and Edit Newsletter Template, and you can find it right here. And this is how to get started with Royaltie, the first marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. So with Royaltie, your website is done, your SEO done, your online ads done, your social media marketing done, your blog done, your email marketing done, your CRM done, your analytics done. Royaltie, your marketing done. Do your thing, we'll do the marketing. You can see a few of our AI-powered landing pages right here. To your left, you can see a travel site that was built with the power of Royaltie. Also in the center here, you can see a church that was used to create their landing page with the power of Royaltie. And then over to your right here, you can see also a realtor whose page was designed with Royaltie. Let's go over a few of our testimonials. You can see Jonathan, who's a realtor, top left-hand corner, says, the thought of trying to create a website, blog, newsletter, content, and all of the things needed to market online was so overwhelming. I can't believe how easy it was to get started with Royaltie. I now have all of my marketing done for me with fresh new content daily. I'm so happy to say online marketing is no longer intimidating. And Tiffany, a network marketer, bottom left-hand corner, says, I always knew that the key to success in network marketing was to create a duplicatable system so my team can share in my success. The tools I used before Royaltie were so difficult to implement in my organization that it made marketing online difficult. I'm so glad that I found Royaltie because my team and I are duplicating, and even the beginner is having success. Kimberly M., hairstylist, top right-hand corner, says, online marketing has always been confusing for me. I now have an online presence and I can stay in contact with people interested in my services with the push of a button. I'm so glad I found such a simple marketing platform. And Walter, an insurance agent, bottom right-hand corner, says, this is the easiest marketing platform I have ever used. I've always understood the power of online marketing, but connecting multiple systems and keeping up with the marketing took up a lot of my time. I am so glad I was able to free up my time and get better results using Royaltie. It's easy to get started with us here at Royaltie. Let's go over our simple pricing. Over here to the left, you can see our entrepreneur plan. That's just $87 per month. If your business is up and running and ready to grow, this plan will let you access all the key features at an amazingly low price. You'll get 3 AI marketing campaigns, unlimited websites, 10,000 marketing emails, unlimited social media marketing, search engine optimization, file sharing and analytics, and a free sample of $25 per month in advertising credit. In the middle here, you can see our small business package. That's just $167 per month. If your business is rocking and rolling, you need expanded features to support your limitless vision. With this $167 a month package, you'll get 5 AI marketing campaigns, unlimited websites, 50,000 marketing emails, unlimited social media marketing, search engine optimization, file sharing and analytics, and a free sample of $50 per month in advertising credit. Over here to the right, you can see our marketing agency plan. That's just $327 per month. You handle the marketing for lots of businesses. This plan will take your services and your agency to another level. In this plan, you'll get 10 AI marketing campaigns, unlimited websites, 100,000 marketing emails, unlimited social media marketing, search engine optimization, file sharing and analytics, and a free sample of $100 per month in advertising credit. This is our simple pricing. Royaltie, your marketing done.